Hi, I'm Joel Kruzmark from Diamond Buick GMC. Your visit to Diamond will commonly include lots of smiles and laughter while providing a transparent, honest car buying and/or service experience. Back in 1989, my brother Tom and I had a dream of owning and keeping a small-town Ford and Mercury dealership in Elbow Lake, Minnesota going. We later ventured into the GM world in 1994 in Morris, Minnesota. 20 years later, we've been blessed to relocate and bring back Buick and GMC to the Alexandria area. And that journey has been nothing but spectacular. Over the years, we've grown from employing 5 full-time employees to 69 full-time employees. We strive to make every guest feel at home and be a part of the Diamond family.
We're the Beckman family from Alexandria, Minnesota. We were looking for a truck with big cab space. We obviously have 3 children in car seats, and it was really important for us to find something big enough for all the little ones. Building those relationships with the salesmen are so important, and we were able to find our salesman DJ here, and he helped us. And
working with DJ was actually really great, very laid back.
There's nothing more enjoyable for me to walk through the showroom and hear that laughter from the employee and from the customers. It gives me a sense of joy.
One of the best parts about the whole experience was just not having any pressure to purchase a certain truck. There was no timeline. It was really about us and what worked best for our family.
We want that car buying experience to be one that's not only for one car, but for many family members to come.
We explained we were a little bit nervous with all the kids how that was going to go, and being that they were ready, it was a quick transition into the new truck, and we loaded up and took off.
Here at Diamond Buick GMC, we offer a wide array of services to include new and used cars and trucks, full-service service department from routine maintenance to complete engine overhauls, towing, parts and vehicle accessories, interior and exterior protection, paintless dent repair, detailing, and many more services. Over the years, we've developed a culture that is comfortable, relaxed, and stress-free. We are also a very firm believer in investing in our company, our employees, our customer, and our community. We welcome you to come out to Diamond and experience the Diamond difference, and to become a customer for life.